Kentucky. This is Andrea from Loving Ivy Farms, and I'm doing the 10 homesteading question collab. Plus, this is my first cameo. First question, what got you into homesteading? Well, I lived on a farm. Basically, we just gardened when I was a kid, and then my mom and dad got divorced and moved us to town, and I always promised myself from then I would have my own farm. Back then, though, I didn't know it was called homesteading. So, okay. Question number 2. What is something you want to add to your homestead in 2020? My own property. Right now, I'm on a friend's property, so I want to have my own land. Yes. Number 3, what is the most difficult lesson I've learned while homesteading? And I would have to agree with everybody else. The most difficult lesson is loss. From whether it's a chicken to a baby goat to, yeah, basically, it never gets easier. So, and things happen. Predators, illness, parasites. It's just, it never gets easier. Number 4, what is your favorite chore on the homestead? My favorite chore on the homestead is walking with my goats. Yeah, I know, it's not really a chore, but yeah, I walk with them while they eat and browse and stuff like that. So, number 5, what is your favorite thing to grow? My favorite thing to grow, I think, is acorn squash, because I love acorn squash and it's like super easy to grow. I like watermelons too, but yeah, acorn squash. Let's see, number 6, what do you love the most about the homesteading community? What I like about the homesteading community that I have found is it doesn't matter what race you are, it doesn't matter what religion you are. Everybody is of like mind and willing to go out there and help. It's amazing. The homesteading community is just amazing, filled with true people who truly care. Number 7, what is your favorite meal to make? I love cooking. Sorry about that. Oh, that's enough. Enough. Okay. No, don't backtalk me. That's enough. My favorite meal to make. I like acorn squash with bacon. Yeah, I'd have to say that's my favorite. Or sweet potatoes. I like sweet potatoes too. Yeah. Okay. What is my favorite holiday? I'd have to say Thanksgiving. I was a turkey baby. I was born on Thanksgiving, and every 11 years, my birthday falls on Thanksgiving, and um, I can cook a mean Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, number 9 is your homestead where you want to settle permanently. Where I'm at right now, no, it's my friend's property. So I did have my own place with my mother, and then my mother passed away, and it's just a lot of things happened, and I ended up here in Kentucky, and I like Kentucky's winters. I mean, not that much snow, a lot of rain. But this is not where I'm going to be permanently. I want to get my own property, and I want to live off the grid so I don't have that overhead. Yeah, okay. But everything I've learned with raising my goats and my chickens and all that stuff, everything I've learned can be applied to my own property eventually. And did I forget anything? No. Okay. What homesteaders do you follow and enjoy learning from? I've learned a lot a lot from Two Family Homestead, definitely. I'm so glad that they're out there helping other tubers um, learn how to grow and improve your channel. That's awesome. I started watching Arm's Family Homestead because he also raises Kikos, and I love the Kiko goat breed. But I've been raising them for like 10 years, so it was just nice being able to watch somebody else with the same type of animals that I have. Um, I like a lot of stations: Overlook Family, Eggs and Bacon. Did I learn? Uh, okay. I guess that's. I mean, yeah. Mimsy's gardening. I mean, for gardening, Roots and Refuge. Oh, I watched her a lot. I learned a lot from her with gardening. Gardening is not my biggest forte, so yeah. Okay, so that's quick, and it's almost too long. So, if you have any other questions, post them below. Subscribe and uh, hit the bell to be notified. Love y'all. Ta-ta from Kentucky. What do you want? What do you want? Ow.